Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial of OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the language in Google Chrome, or you want to change the language in English in Google Chrome. So let's get on to it. So just first you have to go to the Google Chrome browser. So to change the language in English, so if you have changed the language in other language and you don't know how to change the language English in Google Chrome, so first you just have to go to the settings option here in three dot menu, settings option here, and the right corner here, click on three dot, and to the bottom here in the third option would be the settings option. So it would be in different language, so you just have to go to the bottom here and the third option here. So this is the setting option, click it. Then you have to scroll down to the screen at the bottom here. You will see a arrow sign here with another language. It's advanced here, so it will be in another language. So this is the advanced option in your Google Chrome browser with arrow mark here. So you just have to click it, and after the clicking it, the first option would be the language option. It will be in another language. So if you scroll down and don't know how to find it, so downloads option is under the language option. So this location, you will see this will be written in English in your Google Chrome browser, so you will have to find it. So you will know that it is the language option is above it. So the language option is above the download option, and you can find the language option here easily. So it will be in the other language if you change it. So you can see there's the arrow mark here, so you just have to expand the option here. So this is the first language option here, just expand it, and you can see if it's another language, there's a blue icon here. So you just have to click it. So it is the add language option in your Google Chrome, whatever the language that is. So click the blue icon here, it's called add language. So you just have to search for the English language here. These are all the language. So just type in English. So you can see there's a bunch of English here. It will be in English when you change the language in English. So click on English, choose Canada, and this is the add option here. So there will be another language, so you just have to click the add option, and you can see the English Canada is here. So the last option will be the chosen language here. So you just have to, in the right here, the three dot menu here, just have to click here, and there the first option would be the display Google Chrome in this language. So you just have to choose the first option here, choose the first option, and there will be a blue color link here. It will be another language saying, so this is be the relaunch option for you in Google Chrome. So you just click the relaunch option here. So that's it. Now you can see that your Google Chrome language is fixed and it's back into English. So that's how you change the language in Google Chrome, or any other language that you want to change in Google Chrome. So that's it. This is a pretty and very straightforward tutorial for you guys. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.